Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your password in Temu app. To do this, first we'll need to click on You on the bottom side of our phone, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Inside we need to find our security options, account security right there, and then there's the password. In this case I'm logging in from Google, so I don't have a password and I have add button. If you already have a password, then it should be set as edit. In this case we're gonna click on add, and then you'll be able to fill up your new password. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.